You are currently in the depression phase of the Wall Street cheat sheet, and this is exactly the moment when smart money takes your assets for pennies. The world is changing. The US and Iran have signed a memorandum, and oil is dropping below $80. This means inflation should slow down soon unless the situation gets worse by autumn. The new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, has already removed all hints for the market, forcing investors to navigate blindly based on real data. The others versus Bitcoin chart shows that the 4-year downward trend for altcoins is about to break. We are on the verge of a capital rotation. It would take just 2% of liquidity from the stock market to make crypto double in size. Here are 3 new projects to consider for long-term investment. Stellar. While others are dropping, this veteran is showing bearish strength and holding its ground. It is chosen for its real-world financial utility and readiness for the new payment infrastructure. The price is currently trading in a range between 13 and 25 cents, where you can easily DCA into a position. SUI, a future-oriented blockchain with a powerful growth flywheel. Sources highlight it as a project with excellent fundamentals that is ready to absorb liquidity when the market turns around. Right now, the price has corrected by more than 85%. Before I start accumulating this coin, I want to see the downtrend shift into an accumulation phase. The best entry points will be near the bottom of that range. Jupiter, a major project with massive daily revenue reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. We can already see the downward trend losing steam. This means that near the bottom of the range, you can accumulate the asset using a DCA strategy. The most important thing is not to go all in. If the drop continues, you need to have the opportunity to average your entry price. This rule applies to every single coin in the crypto market. My friends, if you want to trade, use my registration link for the BitTunix exchange. You will get excellent conditions for trading, 25% discount on trading commissions, and a welcome bonus for new users. The link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish you all massive profits.